Hello, this is going to be a tabletop review for my Sig Sauer P226 full trademarks right there. This is Sig Sauer P226. This is Sig Arms Inc. Herndon, Virginia. I got this at Walmart. It has a unique serial number. It has a really nice punch to it. And it shoots really far too. Very accurate. It shoots 315 feet per second. Maximum range is 44 yards, and it has a 12-round magazine. Here's the magazine, 12 round. Has one of them lockdown type. You push this button and you fill it up. It's a Springer, so you have to cock it every time. Has working hammer and safety. Right there's the safe. It's unsafe. Sorry. Here's the takedown lever. Pull it down, lift it out, and you can pull off the slide. Oh, forgot to mention that it's a KWC pistol. Put it right there. I can't take it down any further. I tried, but I don't know how to do it. Here's the frame. You just put it back on like that. And take down lever. Put it back in position there. Right here's the slide lock, but it doesn't function on here. This would be a decocker on gas blowback models. But of course this is a Springer, so it's a safety. Yeah, I seem to have a lot of fun with this gun. Next to my Taurus PT227, this is by far the best, one of the best pistols for the money. If I recall, I think it was around like $32 at Walmart. Some places you might get more, some places you might get cheap. It all depends. Alright, so thanks for watching. See you later.